Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn off vibration on your iPhone. So let's get started. So we have a few kind of steps that can be done. And the first one is all about, we just need to go over here in the settings. Now from here, what we need to do is just scroll down and navigate to sound and haptics. Now from here, we have to make few changes. First one, if we go over here in the haptics, you can see, select this one. And right now, this is on always play. So in order to turn off the vibration, you can either set from always play to never play, which means the vibration will be completely turned off. You can set into never play. And also going back, if you go over here in the ringtone, you can select that, tap on the ringtone. And right now, you have to tap on the haptics. And over here in the haptics, it's been set to synchronized default. And now from here, this one, you have to tap to none. And now you have to go back. Once again, you have to go back. And also over here, you can check. If you scroll down, you can see over here under the keyboard feedback, there is a low sound, which is turn it on. You can also turn off the system haptics. And also, if you go over here at the top, you can see there are some options like, text tone, new email. You can change into none if you want it. And also, these are some steps that can be done over here. And also, apart from this, if you go back over here at the top, if you go to the over here in the accessibility, now from here, if you scroll down and navigate to the touch, and if you scroll down, you can see the vibration is actually turned on. So you can just turn this off. And now the vibration will be completely turned off on your iPhone. And also, we have one more step, which is most commonly everyone knows. If you go over here, you can see we have an option like this. Over here, we have a button. You can also turn this off as well if you wanted to keep it with the vibration. And also, you can completely turn this off by changing this as well. So these are the steps on how we can turn off vibration on your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.